Hello, Mr. Story. Today we'll explain your lesson. Talk about fractions. Do you know fractions? In numbers, there one called fraction. We can multiply decimals. Like this, we have global and non-global. We can divide it between numbers. The definition here, 1 over 2. Fraction we call it global. This is global fraction. Because numerator is the numerator 1 is 1, 2. We call it global. And we have 3 over 2, we call it global. Okay? Half and 3 over 2. 3 over 2 in global, you can convert this number to mixed number. Because numerator is greater than numerator, right? 2 in numerator here, and 3 divided by 2 equal 1 right now, and the remainder 1. Then 3 over 2 equal 1 half. 1 and half. Okay? Then we can combine between two numbers. Half we say 1 half. Now I will take two fractions. We can use this method to find the answer between two numbers. Like here, if we have 3 over 2 equal 1 over 2. Look at this example. We have like the numerator, 2 in the numerator and here 2 in the numerator. We can write 2 exactly down here in the numerator and then take 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 equal 4 over 2 equal 2. 3 over 2 will be 1 half. You can solve example like this, 1 half plus half. Then the answer will be 2. Okay? Now we will do another example. Talk about division between two fractions or subtraction. To find the difference between two fractions, you must write the least common multiplication between two denominators. Like this, we have 3 over 5 subtract by 2 over 3. In the numerator here, 3 and 5. 5 divided by 3. Then we can find here the least common multiplication between 5 and 3. It will be 15. They're product because 5 and 3 we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the least multiplication between 3 and 5 we call it 3 times 5 equal 15. Okay? Write 15 here. And also here 15. Look at that. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. And 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 multiplication by 2 equals 9. 5 multiplication by 2 equals 10. Okay? Then 9 minus 10, we can write 15 here in the numerator, and 9 minus 10 will be negative 1. And the result will be negative 1 over 15. And what about 600? 3 and 2 over 5 subtract by 2 and 1 over 3. In this example also we can find the least common multiplication between two denominators. We have 3 and 5. We know 3 times 5 equals 15. Then the least common multiplication between two fractions here in the numerator will be 15. 5 and 3, we call it relatively prime numbers. Then we can do that. 3 times 5 equals 15 here, right? 15. And the whole numbers outside, okay? And also like ask yourself, 5 times 1 equals 15, 5 multiplication by 3, 5 times 3 equals 15. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. Now here, 3 convert to 15, I go back by 5. 3 times 5 equals 15, then 1 times 5 equals 5. We can write 5 up here numerator. Now we have difference between two whole numbers and two fractions. Look at here. Then the answer will be 1, and write 15 in the numerator, and 6 subtract by 5. 6 subtract by 5 equals 1. Means the answer here will be 1 and 1 over 15. Okay, understood? Example. Next question. What about 6 and 4 over 5 into 2 and 1 over 4? We can put together now two fractions here by found the least common multiplication between two denominators first. Look at here, we have 5 and 4. 5 and 4 we call also relatively prime numbers because 5 and 4, the height factor between them equal 1. Then the least multiplication between 5 and 4 it will be 20. Okay? Then you must write here in the numerator 20 and here 6. And also write 2 and write 4 in the numerator. Okay? Convert this number also like this by 20 and here 2. Look at here, 4 times 5 equals 20. You know this? 4 product by 5 20 and 5 times 4 equals 20. Here, 5 converts 20 by product by 4. Then I will product 4 here in numerator. 4 times 4 equals 16, right? 16 here. And now 4 times 1 equals 20, 4 times 5. Then 4 times 5 equals 20. 1 times 5 equals 5. Next step, we can collect the fractions like 20 in the numerator, and then 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 16 plus 5 equals 21. Now, in this fraction, we have improved here about this fraction. Numerator greater than denominator. You must simplest. You must find the number in the simplest form. Look at here, we have 21 divided by 20. 21 10 divided by 20. 21 divided by 20 equal 1, and the remainder 1. You can write 1 plus 8 equal 9. Okay, and this number 21 equal 20 over 20, 21 over 20 equal be 1 remainder because we have 21 divided by 20 equal 20 and remainder 1. Okay, 21 divided by 20 equal 1 and remainder 1. 1 plus 8 equal 9 and then we have remainder. Okay, I will sum this here as an example. Look at here. We have 21 over 20. You can write here 2. Here 21 divided by 20 equal 1 and remainder 1. Then I cancel here this number 21 over 20. I cancel this and write 1 over 20. And then I add 1, 2, 8 compared to 9. And the answer about the remainder it will be 1 over 20. Okay, understood? Was example? Next question. I will give you now an example. Talk about subtraction between two fractions. Look at here. About this fraction. What about 3 and 2 over 7 subtracted by 1 and 4 over 9? Look at here about example. We have 7 9. There is multiplication between 7 and 9 to be a double fact. 7 times 9 equals 63. Because 7 and 9 we call it relatively prime numbers. 7 and 9 can't divide by any number without 1. So there is multiplication between 7 and 9, it will be product. 0 product. 7 times 9 equals 63. So I will write here in this numerator on the whole number 1, whole number 1. 7 product by 9 equals 63. And then convert 63 divided by 7 equal 9. 2 times 9 equal 18. And then write here also 63. And then 7 divided by 4 equal 28. Look at here this example. 18 subtract by 21. We can do it. So you must do 1. Okay, pay attention to this example. Because 18 can't divide by 21. Put 1 from left hand side here to 3. 3 it will be 2. Okay? And then 1 here it will be 63 over 63. You can get 63 over 63 plus this number plus 18 over 63. Write 63 in the numerator. And then 8 plus 3, 11, 1 and 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6 equals 8. And then find the difference now between two fractions. We have 28, and I cancel here this number. Okay, cancel 1 from 3 will be 2. You understood? And then right numerator here 63 down, and then 2 minus 1 equals 1, and 81 subtract by 28. You can find the difference between 7 and this number will be 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3, and 7 minus 2 is 5. The result is that 7 is 4, 1, and 53 over 63. Okay, this example you must do the steps. Next question, we can find 3 and 2 over 7, 8, 2, 2, and 1 and half. We have also two denominator difference, 7 and 2. 7 can be divided by 2. Then their product between two numbers, it will be 14, is the least multiplication. And also we know 7 and 2, we call it what? Relatively prime number. Then the least multiplication between two fractions here, it will be their product. 2 times 7 equal 14, okay? Write 14 here down in the numerator and then 3. And also, to convert with me, about this example, 2 times 7 14. And then 2 product by 2 equal 4. Now 7 times 1 equals 7. Next step, we can collect two fractions, right? 14 in the numerator here. And 2 plus 3 equal 5, okay? And then 4 plus 7 equal 11. This is the simplest example because the numerator is the numerator. It's the simplest form. Understood? This question? Okay, next example. Talk about 16 and half plus 2 and 12. Look at this example. We have here 4 and 2. Look at here. You can see 4 and 2. 4 can divide by 2. Then we call 4 here the least multiplication between the numbers. 4 can divide by 2. Then there is multiplication between two numbers 4. First step, you must ask yourself, is this number can divide or not? 4 can divide it by 2 or not? Yes, 4 can divide it by 2. Then 4 is the least multiplication between two numerators. We can write 4 here, now, and here 16, and also write 2, and here 4. 2 times 2 equal 4, okay? Then 1 times 2 equal 2. Next step, 4 here, multiply. Then now I can say this is easy questions because we have like the numerator here. We can write 4 in the numerator down, and 2 plus 16 equal 18. And then 2 plus 1 equal 3. In the simplest form, it will be 18 and 3 fourths. 18 and 3 fourths. Okay, understood? Next question. Now I will give you another example. Talk about multiplication and division between two fractions. Okay? Look at here. We have 3 over 4 divided by half. We can find the result, for example, by converting from division to multiplication of the reciprocal by second fraction. Write 3 over 4 first, here, and convert from division to multiplication by the reciprocal by this fraction will be 2 over 1. And next step, you can simplify numerator here by numerator. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And next step, you can product numerator by numerator, numerator by numerator. 1 product by 3 equal 3, and 1 times 2 equal 2. Then 3 over 2 you can simplify. We have improver. We must convert this improver to mixed number. 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and the remainder 1. Okay? You can write here 2 and 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and the remainder 1. Then the result in the simplest form will be 1 half. 1 and half. Okay? It's about division. But what about this example? If you give the example about talk about multiplication, who can tell me multiplication between two fractions like this? We have 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 5. You can find the result in one step. Simplest. 2 and 4 we have given number. We know any given number can divide it by 2. Then 2 divided by 2 1 and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Next step multiplication numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. 1 times 3 equal 3 and 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the simplest form here it will be 3 over 10. Okay? We call it global fraction. And this example, what about 6 over 7 divided by 1 and a half? We have fractions here, 6 over 7 divided by mixed number. First step, we must convert this mixed number to global. Right, 6 over 7, first step here, and division. And right to next step, 1 times 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3. Okay? Then the answer will be 6 over 7 divided by 3 over 2. Now we will simplify this example. Look at here. 6 over 7 and convert from division to multiplication by 2 over 3. Okay, convert from division to multiplication and then we can find the answer in the simplest form. Ask yourself, we have 3 divided by 3 equal 1 and 6 divided by 3 equal 2. You can simplify and then write 2 and 1 times 7 equals 7. So what is the simplest form about this example? Because the numerator is the denominator is the simplest. Okay, understood? Next example here. Now we have 1 and 4 divided by 2 and 3 fourths. You can solve this example. First step, you must convert two fractions here from mixed number to integer, okay? Refer to 0 and 4 here down. 1 plus 4 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. And then, right, division, right, also 4, and 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. 2 product for 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Next step, you can write 5 over 4, product by reciprocal expression to be 4 over 11. You can sum this now, 4 divided by 4, 1, 4 divided by 4 equal 1. And the next step, 1 times 5 equal 5, and 1 times 11 equal 11. The result in the simplest form, it will be 5 over 11. And what about this example? 3 and 6 divided by 1 and 3 over 2, or 3 over 12. In this example, first step, you must simplify this fraction in the first step. Right, this means 3 and 1 over 7 divided by 1, and this fraction 3 divided by 3, 1, and 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Next step, you can convert this fraction by 7, and 3 times 7 equal 21. 21 plus 1 equal 22. Right, 22 here. And then, also we must convert this mixed number to number, right? 4 in the numerator and 1 times 4 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. And next step, you can write the first fraction here, 22 over 7, and then convert from division to multiplication, right? Reciprocal about 5 over 4. Reciprocal about this number, 24 over 5. But this example, we can find the result The answer you must establish. Okay? Look at here. 5 times 7 is 35. Yes, and 4 times 22, 4 times 2 equal 8, and 4 times 2 equal 8, then the result will be 88. Look at here. This number, 88 over 5. It's improper. You must convert from improper to mixed number. Right here, 88 divided by 35, you can write 65 here down. And asking yourself, 88 divided by 35, how many 35s in 88? We know 35 plus 35 equals 70. Then we have two 35s in 88, and the remainder what? We can find the difference between 70 because 2 times 35 equals 70. 88 subtract by 70, we can find the difference. It will be 88, okay? So, in first step, 88 divided by 35 equals 2. Because 2 times 35 equals 70, you can find the difference between 70 and 88. Okay, right here, 88 subtract by 70. We know 8 minus 2 equals 8 and 7, 8 minus 0, 1. Then the answer in simplest form, it will be 2 and 18 over 35. 2 and 18 over 35, okay? Okay, my students, understood today? It's easy questions for you. Okay. Now I will give you the easy question in the last, and I want you to solve it. When you solve it, check with me the answer like this. 5 over 7 plus 2 over 6. Think, stop the video, and then solve the question by yourself. First step, we can write this multiplication between the numbers 6 multiplied by 7 equal 42 because 6 and 7 we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the rest multiplication between two denominator here, it will be their product, okay? 6 multiplied by 7 equal 42. Right, 42 down here, and here also 42. And then 5 times 6 is 30, and 7 times 2 is 14. Next step, you can write down 42 and then collect 4 plus 0 equal 4 and 1 plus 3 equal 4. We have 44 over 42. It's even number. You must solve this by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 44 and 42 again. 5 times 7 is 42. 6 times 5 30. 2 times 7 14. And 6 times 7 equal 42. Now I will start this expression by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. You know 44 and 42 we call that even numbers. You can divide it by 2 numerator and numerator. Okay? Right here. 22 up because 4 divided by 2 equal 2 and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And down here in the equation, 42 divided by 2, you can write 4 divided by 2 equal 2 and 2 divided by 2, 1. Now 22 over 21. It's simple one. You must simplest. Yes, simplest more. 22 divided by 21 equal 1 and the remainder 1. Then the last steps 22 divided by 21 equal 1 and the remainder 1. So, refresh the example again. We have 5 plus 6 equal 30, 12 plus 7 14. We can connect 4 plus 0 4 and 3 plus 1 4. And down in the numerator 42. Then you can solve this by divided by 2. 44 divided by 2 equal 22. And 42 divided by 2 equal 21. Next step, you can write 21 in the numerator. 22 divided by 21 equal 1 and remember 1. If you don't know the steps here, you can use one division like this standard way. 22 divided by 21, it will be 1 and remember 1. So we can write 22 over 21 by 21 here. We can call it the divisor element and the dividend 22 and the function will be 1 and remember 1. Okay? Understood this example? Next question also about 3 over 2 subtract by 1 or here 30 over 2 divided by 1 over 5. I want you to solve the example. But the video, stop and solve with me. Now we have 13 over 2. You can solve this example first. 13 over 2 by 2 here. And next we can find the difference between two numbers. Okay, listen to me about this number. 13 divided by 2 equals 6 and the number 1 subtract by 1 over 5. Look at here, 5 and 2, we can find the least multiplication between the denominator. It will be 0 or that. Look at here, 2 times 5 equals 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10. And write 6 outside. Look at here, 2 times 5 equals 10, 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 10, 1 times 2 equals 2, and then find the difference between two fractions. Write 6, and then write 10 numerator and 5 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, my students, understood today? It's the last question. I want to understand this example and solve extra exams in your home. Okay. Next time I will complete all questions about new examples about decimals and also long division and multiplication in the future. Okay? Okay, understood? Okay, goodbye, my students.